Namaskar, friends. Welcome to Electronics Technology. YouTube channel, topic of defense technology. News is Mike Pompeo takes advisory role at Ukrainian drone and missile producer Firepoint. Former U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo has joined the advisory board of the Kyiv-based defense company Firepoint amid an ongoing corruption investigation. Pompeo, who served as CIA director and top diplomat under President Trump, has been a strong supporter of Ukraine during its war with Russia. Firepoint develops long-range strike systems designed to extend Ukraine's reach into Russian territory. Its products include the FP-1 deep strike drone and the Flamingo cruise missile, which carries a warhead of more than 2,200 pounds and has a range exceeding 1,800 miles, according to its profile on Bavovna, a U.S.-based AI warfare company. Irina Terek, the firm's head of production, told the Associated Press that Firepoint was producing one Flamingo missile per day as of August. The company is also establishing a facility in Denmark to produce solid rocket fuel for its missiles, including the Flamingo, following the Danish Ministry of Defense's announcement of a $1.4 billion aid package for Ukraine last week. The National Anti-Corruption Bureau of Ukraine is investigating whether Firepoint misled the government on pricing and delivery commitments, the Kyiv Independent reported in August. The probe also examines whether Timur Mindich, an associate of President Volodymyr Zelensky, is the company's beneficiary. Mindich Co. owns the Kvartal 95 television studio founded by Zelensky, but Firepoint denies any links to him. Founder Denis Stillerman told the AP he has met Mindich several times, while maintaining there is no connection between the company and the Zelensky associate. The Kyiv Independent reported that Firepoint is set to receive more than $1 billion this year through government contracts. The New York Times noted last month that before Russia's full-scale invasion in February 2022, the company's predecessor operated as a film and television casting agency. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.